Alright, I finally found out where I put my other bling knobs. These bling knobs are made for summer. As you can see how they had a nice bowl area in there to put your finger in there, man, when you're controlling your sticks. And this is my new bling knobs. But these are better for a pincher because they don't have that big bowl in the middle. Plus they have the I don't know what you call that thing there, cactus head on top of it. But that's the one of the new ones I got are much better for a pincher. And I guess I'll be letting these go for $7 shipped. The blue ones for futaba radio. I guess they're 3mm. Anybody interested? Let me know. Thanks very much.